Alright, this is also amazing, but just in case, because I'm not sure if I filmed this before or not, but today is the 22nd of July 2025. What was the address?
Ilmarinkatu 14.
Take a second. That's in 97, we replaced an older one in 1975 to Symbosis 31697, 6 months. Also in Töölö, Helsingfors, uusimman Jansfjällen. It's possible I didn't film it before.
Yeah.
You have to press it longer.
Yeah.
But I don't know why they had to replace the older one in 1975.
Yeah. Ich tippar liftin stort att Bengt inte press på hissen.
This building dates back to 1930 or something.
Yeah.
But I love the sounds and smell here also.
The same here.
That's it.
That's